In this video, I'm going to cover how to adjust the temperature control drawer in your Whirlpool refrigerator. This drawer can be used to store large deli trays, fresh meat, beverages, or other items that you want to store at an optimum temperature. The control only sets the temperature for the drawer and does not adjust the temperature for the fridge or freezer. Depending on your model, your fridge will either have an electronic control or manual control. Ours is manual. The meat setting is the coldest setting, and the vegetable setting is the least cold. To select the desired temperature for the items stored in the drawer, simply slide the control. If you are not storing specific items in the drawer, we recommend leaving the control in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.